Hey there, Titans! Welcome back to another Titan Academy video. Over the next couple of videos, we will learn how to configure SmartV for your Titan web project. SmartV allows you to set up two-factor authentication for any email under any object in Salesforce. This includes standard objects and custom ones. So as you can see, I have an account set up here with 3 contacts. I have a contact with no role, I have an account manager, and I have a regular contact. Now my role is defined through a custom pick list that I set up called account role. I can leave it blank, I can have it as an account manager, or a regular contact. Now I have SmartV set up on my project here. I configured it so only contacts who have a role selected in their account role can log in. So let's start by trying to log in as my contact with no role. I'm going to grab my email, and if I try to log in, you can see it's invalid. I'm not allowed in. Now let's go over to my regular contact, and let's try logging in as a regular contact. Now you see I'm prompted to put in my 2FA code, so let's head over to my email, where I just received my code. Let's copy it, and I should be allowed in. Now, as a regular contact, you can see I get this greeting message, hello regular contact, and I can update any details under my account. Let's add a phone number. This will, of course, be reflected in Salesforce. So, can't do much as a regular contact, so let's head over to my account manager. So I'm going to copy this email, and naturally, an account manager will have more options. So if I put in my 2FA code, you see I can edit my details, but I now have access to an additional page called Account Details. Here, I can actually edit my account name, and I can edit details for all other contacts. So let's make the contact with no role an account manager. So now let's log out again, and if we take my contact with no role and try logging in this time, you can see I'm prompted to enter a security code, and I can now edit all account details. So join me in the next video to learn how to set this up. And that's how it's done.